and this is my closet. It is very hot. It's like 95 degrees out. So if I'm looking a little, we don't have air conditioning going, so if I'm looking a little raggedy, I apologize for that. I know my hair is doing like a ton of things, but you came here for an unboxing, and today we have a Bomibox. I believe this is a Korean box, and I love myself some Korean skincare. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future videos, and a thumbs up if you like it. If you're returning or just subscribed, thank you so much. I so appreciate your loyalty to my channel. I cannot say enough what great subscribers I have. And I am still running my contest for August, so I will leave the link above and below as to how you go and enter it. But one of the rules is you have to watch the whole video and then either leave a comment or a couple cactuses. So you can do that on every video, and that gives you an extra entry. So Bombi is a monthly subscription. I never remember prices, so I'll leave that. It'll come across the screen. This is my first time getting it. I've seen it unboxed, and the unboxings I've seen, the products are just amazing. So it comes, of course, nicely packaged with all the little things that I get all over the floor. I don't see a sheet, so we'll play it by ear, and maybe the sheet will be on the bottom. But the first thing is by Jamuso, and it says, have a good cream. Snail and centella, deeply hydrating and soothing. And it looks like it's a face cream because the little person is putting it on her face. Of course, I can't read it because it's so tiny, but it's a nice size tube just to kind of test out. So I'm looking forward to that. And I really don't know if it has a snail cream. I know that's big everywhere, but I'll still try it. The next thing in the box is by Clavu Pure Pearlization Marine Collagen Micro Cleansing Water. So this is huge, and of course it's in Korean. So I'm thinking, is it a makeup remover, or is it just to put out? It really doesn't say in English what to do. It says how to use, and then that's in English, and then the rest is in Korean. Oh wait, let's see. You put it on a cotton ball and softly wipe out following to skin texture. To maintain moisture, wash with warm water. If necessary, wash again. So you use it with a cotton ball, so I kind of find it hard. I'm thinking it's maybe more like a toner, so after you wash, you might use this. But I will see if I can find out more information. And maybe I'll find a booklet. And the next thing looks like this. Looks like a nice little box. And it's Tiger Sika Miniature Kit. It's Skin. Try not to like totally rip it apart like I always do. I hope you guys are having a great day. And I hope it's nice weather by where you are, and hopefully you have air conditioning so you're just not dying. Again, we're up in the woods, so we do everything very minimal here. But they do have delivery, so I'm liking that. Okay, so it kind of opens that way. And there's a little card in here, and it's in Korean. So it's got 2 little products in there. And this is a moisturizing balm. And this is a gel cream. So I'm going to see if we can see how to use this. And of course, no. It is made in Korea though. So let me see if I can do some more digging on this, because I'm sure these are great products and I do plan on using them. And then at the bottom we have, excuse me, we have I'm Sorry for My Skin 50 plus 59 good ingredients. And again, I don't know what it is. Skin irritation. I'm thinking it's like a sunscreen because it's got the 50 plus and we got these other products, so I'm kind of thinking this is a sunscreen. It's got the foil on there. But when I post this video, I am going to see what all these products are, and I'll put it down at the bottom so you're not guessing. That it's nothing worse than getting a box. You don't know what to do with the items. So, and so that was 1, 2, 3, 4. And my favorite is totally at the bottom. We have some masks. This is the My Real Squeeze mask. It looks like it's lime. This is the Dry Lock mask. There's a word, but I don't know what it is. And then there's the One Step Original Clear Mask, Cleansing Original Pad, Mask Pad. Hopefully we do not look like him when we're done with the mask. Do not want to end up with the mustache. So those are nice. And I like, there's one little thing hiding at the bottom. Cleansing Oil Balm, Real Barrier for dry and combination skin. So that's really nice. So we had quite a few products in here. We had these nice creams. I'm going to check on this. I'm going to check on the cleansing water. And again, this is the snail for your face. And then we got the 3 masks. And I'm guessing this is a sunscreen. But I'm going to research all of these items. I did like the box. I want to say it's either $29.99 or $39.99, but again, everything will be listed before I post it. And my first time getting this box, I do like it. So apologize for the hair. Don't forget to leave me a comment and some cactuses if you watch the whole thing. And as always, you guys have an awesome day.